you are going to have 9 compartments in a box. Okay, in those 9 compartments you are going to have colored bars, because colored bars are 9 in number. And if you are going to take bar 1, that should be 45 in number. For bar 2, you can see green in color, these are also 45 in number. Bar 3, this one is also 45 in number. So each and every bar from bar 1 to bar 9, there are 45 bars in each and every compartment, whether it is related to bar 1 or bar 2 or 3 or up to 9, any bar you are going to take 45 in number in this container, and this is used for multiplication bead. Okay, so this is the material, and now what I am going to do, I am going to take along with this, I will need one container having 10 bars and one container having 5 sets of colored bars. Need enough amount of 10 bars, one container, and minimum 5 sets of colored bars, or enough quantity of colored bars. Okay, and here you are going to place these on your right side. Name of exercise is multiplication bead. Purpose, the child is going to learn multiplication, all aspects of multiplication. He is going to learn to do multiplication tables. Okay, so learning tables is related to this work. Okay, multiplication bead, and through multiplication he will learn the tables. Okay, table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, up to 9 he can learn through exercise number 1 of multiplication bead. In the next exercise, you can give them the concept of when multiplier is 10. Okay, 1 10 times is 10, 2 10 times is 20, 3 10 times is 30, and 4 10 times is 40. This concept will be given to them in exercise number 2. Okay, and in the third exercise you will give the child making factors. Okay, making factors of different numbers. Okay, and age group of this work is 5 years onwards. Control of error is the previous knowledge of the child and the directress, and here it is individual exercise. Make the child to sit on your left side. If you have decided to give the child multiplication table of 2, then you are going to take out box that is containing 2 bars. Okay, you can start with 1, then you will give the child 2, 3, 4, 5, but at one time you have to give the child only one table of multiplication, and it will be started from 1 and it will end at 9. Okay, starting this table, your multiplier in the beginning will be 1, and at the end you will stop the work when it is the multiplier is 9. At reaching at 9, you have to stop the work. Okay, and I'm going to start the work with the child, and who is sitting on my left side. I am going to pick up bar 2. I am going to show the child, this is 2. I am going to place it here. Okay, I am going to place it here and near the child's side, and I will say the child, okay, start counting how many beads are there in this bar of 2. The child is going to count 1, 2. When the child will tell you, you can even give the child this counter to count. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, now you are going to pick up 2 from the box in which all bars, which are colored bars, mixed here. Okay, you are going to pick up 2 from that compartment. You are going to place here in vertical way, and now you are going to repeat the lesson with the child. 2 1 time is 2. 1 time 2 is 2. 1 time 2 is 2. Then you are going to take 1 bar of 2 again, place it here in the row next to this one. In the row you are going to place this one, and you will tell the child 1 time 2, then another time, one more time we are going to take the same bar, place it on above side of this one and tell the child 2 times 2. Now you are going to say the child, please start counting how many beads are here in these bars. The child is going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. When the child will tell you 4, you are going to pick up 4 bars from this box, and here you are going to place here in vertical way. Okay, below these bars you are going to place this one in vertical way and repeat repeat with the child 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Then you are going to place 1 bar of 2 here. Tell the child 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2. Okay. Then you are going to make the child to count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then you are going to pick up bar 6, place it here below in vertical way and make the child to repeat with you 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Continue the work. Tell the child 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2. Okay. Say the child to count the beads in these bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Give the child this 8 bar from this box to place it here. Okay. After this, repeat with the child 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. Then you are going to take bar of 2 and place it here. Tell the child 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2. Say the child to count the beads in these bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Give the child this one. 10 bar from this second box to place it here. Now repeat with the child. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. Then you are going to pick up bar 1. Place it here in the next place. Okay. 1 times 2. 2 times 2. 3 times 2. 4 times 2. 5 times 2. 6 times 2. Okay, make the child to count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 1, 10 and 2 makes 12. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay. Then place and tell the child 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2. Okay. Make the child to count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 10 and 4 make 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Now you are going to give the child by placing here 1 time 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, 8 times 2. Okay. Make the child to count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Give the child 1 10 to place it here and 6 from this box. Place it next to this one. 1 10 and 6 make 16. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, next to that, you are going to place and tell the child 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, 8 times 2, 9 times 2. You are going to say the child, count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1 10 and 8 makes 18. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 2 is 18. Repeat with the child. So from 1 to 9 you have to give the child table of multiplication in one presentation related to one number 2, and then next time you can give the child table of 3 starting from 1 to 9, and so you have to stop at the 9 when you are giving the child different tables of multiplication related to these numbers from 1 to 9. You have to stop at 9. When multiplier is 9, reaching there, you have to stop the work in the first presentation. Okay, the next concept of tens, okay, will be given in second presentation, okay, on some other